Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Save-A-Lot grocery haul. This is the groceries for the week. This is my meal plan. This is what I have to share. It was $92. So the first thing is a bag of potatoes. I plan on frying a batch of potatoes. I like yellow potatoes for mashed potatoes. For homemade fries, I prefer a yellow potato, and for Fiesta potatoes. You do not have to soak those, and I just prefer the yellow. But for frying, I prefer russet or Idaho potatoes. So that's what I got today. So that's why I picked these up. For a snack item, we did get these. These are we've already opened them. This is the J. Higgs brand. And these are the nacho cheese flavored tortilla chips. They're not as good as Doritos, but they're a fraction of the price. And you still get that nacho cheese flavored chip. So we picked those up. We opened them. We had some, we had pizza last night. Now I got this stuff yesterday. I'm not filming it until today because we took Connor to a birthday party and I was exhausted. So we went to a birthday party, done lots of walking. It was at this huge like gaming place that had like go-karts and arcade games, laser tag, escape rooms, bowling, axe throwing, a ton. It was a whole vibe, okay? So we were gone most of the day. Then we hit Save-A-Lot and got some groceries, and I put everything away that needed to be put away and decided I would film this today. Chips, they're $2.50 a bag. So I did get this McDaniel's coffee, the caramel macchiato. I love this one. I like this coffee better than the International Delight one. But I do pick that one up a lot. But this one is so good. Definitely recommend the Save-A-Lot brand iced coffees. Connor wanted this Lunchable. It's like nachos, and you get Capri Sun and a Kit Kat in there. So he wanted that. I needed some stick butter for recipe. And I got some shredded cheese because I plan on making chili. And before I share the meat and some of the meal plan, if you're wondering why we didn't grab milk and water and eggs and a lot of the staples, is I already actually still have those. I still have half a gallon of milk. I still have a whole case of water, at least 20 eggs. So there is no reason to buy that stuff, so I'm happy about that. And this was strictly to get a few meals in here. So I did get 2 of these fresh ground beefs. And one is going to be for chili. And the other one is undecided, but there is lots I can do with hamburger. I do have in my cabinet I have some hamburger helper ready to go. I have some other ideas, but as of right now, one is accounted for. It's going to be chili. The other one is just to put back in the freezer. And these are frozen. Like I said, I bought these yesterday evening, and not filming until the next morning. But I still wanted to share. Because I know a lot of you like grocery hauls, so here we are. The boneless pork chops. Oh, and these packs of beef, it's so... My Save-A-Lot used to do like pick 5, and before that it was pick 4 for 20, and now it was pick 5 for 25, and they do not have that on their meat anymore. I'm hoping that it will come back, but these packages of meat are under a pound, and this one was $6.10 and this one was $5.82. Under a pound, not even a pound. So once again, my Walmart actually has better prices on their meat than Save-A-Lot. So I also have not been shopping at Save-A-Lot a lot because of the price differences and how I can get most of my meals at Walmart at a slightly cheaper price, especially the meats. So the pork chops were $6.12. So chili, ranch pork chops, and then I got this Oh Carolina. This is just one of their cheaper bacons that save a lot. I only plan on using this for soup beans, so hence why I'm frying potatoes. So I've been craving soup beans. So I want soup beans, cornbread, fried potatoes. If I would have thought, I would have grabbed a head of cabbage. Oh my god, I might have to go back. That sounds delicious. Sliced bacon. So what I'll do with this is, this was almost $6. I will cut this in half and use half for the soup beans, and then use the half for probably like fixing a batch of pancakes and bacon. Because I just hardly ever buy bacon. We just we're not huge bacon eaters. Really, in general, not big pork eaters. So I also picked up the Sept2025 brand Golden Rounds. These are just classic crackers. And you get 4 stacks in here. And if you're wondering about prices, I don't remember what half of this costed. But if you're interested and you leave me a comment, I will tell you from my receipt. The Golden Rounds, we're having chili, you have to have crackers. So these are our preferred crackers for that. I would eat mine with club crackers too. I'm not a huge fan of saltine crackers. I did, however, grow up eating saltine crackers, but let's just say that I'm burnt out on saltine crackers. I no longer like them as an adult. I just can't. There are lots of things. I'm sure some of you are the same way, that you eat something so much in your childhood that you're just not a fan of it as an adult. I just do not like saltine crackers. So, Golden Rounds it is. I got this box of shells and cheese from the Sept2025 brand, and this is going to go with the ranch pork chops. I did pick up 3 boxes of the Sept2025 brand stuffing mix. There's 3 of them. For chicken casserole, I already have the chicken breast in the freezer, so I needed the additional ingredients to make that. So I got 3 of those. And then the Jiffy corn muffin mix for soup beans. Then I got a little, some of these like spice packet things. So the ranch one, this is for the pork chops. And I also picked up a chili one. And of course that's for chili. Diced tomatoes, chili, 2 cans of the chili beans, pinto beans with mild chili sauce. 2 cans of those for chili. 2 cans of the Lux pinto beans for soup beans. And then 4 cans of the cream of chicken soup. So 3 of these will be for chicken casserole and 1 will be for the ranch pork chops. So chili, chicken casserole, and ranch pork chops and soup beans. 4 meals for the next week, because all of these meals will have leftovers. And we always eat the leftovers. Always. Waste not, want not. Remember it, apply it. So, yeah. That's my Sept2025 grocery haul. $92 for the entire week of meals. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more grocery hauls and in the kitchen content. So definitely don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.